Hi everyone, let's go to one of my videos on our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show this Australian car, which is a 1971 Holden Torana. Before we unbox this car, I'd like to thank you for all views, all likes, all comments, and all subscriptions to my channel. So let's unbox it and take a better look. Well, once we've unboxed the car, we can take a better look at it. I have to say I really like auto art cars. They are made with such perfection, with very high quality. And the Australian cars are not an exception. Well, this car really looks nice. It reminds a little bit of the German Opels. It's Holden, as we know, is a GM subsidiary in Australia. It's a former GM subsidiary in Australia. So this car reminds a little bit the Opel Ascona of the 1970s. There's a rally car, so it has some rally functions here, some rally options we don't find in street cars. This car really looks very good. It has this mocked up hood clips. They are not actually clips, but they are really imitations. And as we can see, the engine bay is made with a very good quality, as well as the engine, the carburetors, and all details we find as a straight six. And this car, really, if you take a picture of it, depending on how you take the picture, it looks like you're looking at a real car instead of looking at a model car. It's the quality is really good. I really like auto art a lot. Wheels and tires are very well made. They're really according to what a race car is supposed to be. Mirrors, the trim around the windows, they're chrome here, but they're flat black around here. The chrome here is painted over, but it's really very well cast in metal. Auto Art really does a very good job. As we look at the interior, we can see that the panel, the dashboard, is made with a very high quality, with all gauges, buttons, and knobs, and steering wheel, and it's a stick shift. And we can see the transmission that's very well made. This car is really very well taken care of. You can see the park and brake lever right there, the central console, and as we steer here, the front wheels turn. So just like any other 1 to 18th model. By the way, this car is a 1 to 18th. It's about 9 inches long, so it's a compact car, actually. The rear, the tail lights are really very realistic, and the trunk as well. As we can see, this big gas tank and a spare tire and hinges and all reinforcements we have here. We don't have the factory stickers, but we have a very well-made lock here and a gas cap. It's really very well done. The dual exhaust here in the back tail light, and there's blinkers here in the rear, of which are made in a piece of acrylic. Passenger side. It's really weird to show a car in which you drive on the wrong side of the road. Well, wrong side for us, for them is the right side. A liner and a roll cage, as well as a competition seat belts for a driver. That's a very nice car. I really like it. The windshield wipers and the windshield, which are made with perfection. The pieces are really well taken care of. And the bottom of a car. By the way, these bumpers here have no cast markings, nothing really. They really look like metal. They're made in plastic, but they're made with such perfection. And the bottom of a car, as we can see, it's very well made as well. We can see the engine, the tranny, the drive shaft. I don't know why it's red, but it's red anyway. It's fixed in place. It doesn't turn as you turn the rear wheel, just like in the Highway 61 cars, but still a very nice piece. We don't have coil springs here in suspension, and suspension is fixed, but it's so well reproduced that it really looks like you're looking at a real suspension. And as we can see, it's a simple exhaust since it's a straight six, and we just have the nozzles here in the back. As it goes here, it turns all the way around with all the washers and details you can find in a real muffler. So this car really looks nice. It's really excellent, an excellent car to have in a diecast collection, especially if you like Australian models, just like I do. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave a like and your comments below, and stay tuned for news. I thank you and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.